Italian yard Absolute have been using IPS drives in their boats for as long as anyone, and really know how to get the most from this pod drive technology. The 45 Fly uses IPS drives, but it's also got another big benefit, a huge amount of glass, both in the hull and in the superstructure. That means masses of natural light inside, as well as terrific views out. A stylish stainless steel and teak ladder leads up from the cockpit to the flybridge, and the cockpit itself uses a fairly simple layout, with a flat bench across the transom and plenty of teak decking, but it also hides a bit of a secret which we'll come to later. The large flybridge overhang means there's plenty of space for seating all around the aft end of the flybridge, with a solid teak table for eating off. Further forward, on the port hand side, there's a nice chaise longue and sun pad next to the helm. This is a well protected area with a good sized windscreen that keeps you feeling safe, and behind it there's a nice wet bar with a barbecue, grill and sink. The saloon has an aft galley layout, which is really sociable for serving people in the cockpit or at the dinette further forward. But the overwhelming thing here is the amount of natural light pouring in through those tall side windows. The main section of glass is actually made out of a single pane, with just some GRP styling lines stuck on the outside to break up the looks. It's also got two large electric windows that you can wind down to let plenty of fresh air in. The inside helm is to port and is right next to one of those opening windows so you can communicate with crew on the foredeck. The dinette is on the starboard side, directly opposite a huge high-low television that rises out of the sideboard. A combination of folding and sliding glass doors means that the galley can be opened up completely to the cockpit with no awkward steps or doors in the way. The helm seat also has a clever trick up its sleeve and can be folded up to make a bolster and slid back out in a matter of seconds. Down below, it's got that all-important full-beam owner's cabin, and for a 45-foot boat, this is a really generous space, with lots of light again pouring in through those big hull side windows, and remarkably, a small walk-in wardrobe where you can keep all your clothes. The central island berth faces towards the bow of the boat, and there's even a settee to port if you want to sit and admire that view out. The VIP guest cabin is forward, and it's very nearly as generous as the owner's suite. It too gets 3 large hull windows on either side of the bed, and the berth itself is a proper king-size double, without any pinching at either end. There's plenty of floor space all around it, and its own ensuite bathroom as well, which, as you can see from the pictures, is extremely well equipped, with plenty of space even in the shower. But the really big surprise is at the other end of the boat, where you'll find an extra crew cabin, although frankly, it's so well kitted out and so nicely done that you'd happily use it for guests or children.